abstract. Yeah, it's complicated. What you say, the way you act. Well, it makes me so confused. I don't know what to do anymore. Can't you just make up your mind? My heart drops when you play around. How can you...
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. TionnaMichelle here. Today I'm going to be doing a kitchen clean and decorate with me. It's going to be a fall decoration video, so stay tuned to the end to see what I do with the fall decorations. So let's get into this cleaning video.
Even if I can't deny that all the things you said are hurting, still wanna be with you. I think you want it too. 'Cause baby, I don't wanna be. Baby, I don't wanna be. No, baby, I don't wanna be. Baby, I don't wanna be. How it hurts to see you smile, like a dagger in me. She just seems so juvenile. I just want it to be me. I wanna set your world on fire. Oh, you're so sure I'll stick around. Oh, my heart drops when you play around. How can you be up when I'm down? Don't wanna think about it right now. Maybe you just wanna be friends, but there's a fight when we are talking. Maybe you just wanna pretend, but I can read between the lines. Even if I can't deny that all the things you said are hurting, still wanna be with you. I think you want it too. 'Cause baby, I don't wanna be. Baby, I don't wanna be. Oh, even if I can't deny that all the things you said are hurting, still wanna be with you. I think you want it too. 'Cause baby, I don't wanna be. No, baby, I don't wanna be. No, baby, I don't wanna be. Baby, I don't wanna be. Talk to me, baby. I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around. Drown in our fights and whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let keep on wasting. Might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier. For you, I do it all night. You're my only lifeline. Hey babe, look what hole I am in. I am in. I try not to think too much about what might have been, might have been.
So right now I'm just cleaning off the bar area. This is where I'm going to put my fall decorations. I would have put it on the table, but I know my kids will bother it and probably break the glass. So I'm just going to clean off this area and put the decorations here since it's a lot of glass.
Remedy. How long will you keep trying? I know it's not, babe. It's not easy. I guess deep down inside, I knew you could be my remedy. Be my If I gave you my heart, you could tear it apart. And if I tell you how I feel, would you be good to me? Good to me. How nice if I just could let you in, let you in. I know you could be my remedy, my remedy. How long will you keep trying? I know it's not, babe. It's not easy. I guess deep down inside, I know you could.
So now I'm going to begin decorating. I got everything for this area from Dollar Tree with the exception of the mats and the pieces I'm going to put into the glass. Those came from, the mats came from Burlington, and the little pieces I'm putting into the glass came from JoAnn's. They were $9.99 with the 50% off coupon, and then everything else, like I said, came from Dollar Tree. And this is the final result of the kitchen decorations. Comment down below and let me know if you like it or if you would like to add anything. I just did something super simple for the fall, since this will be my first time decorating for fall. So comment down below and let me know how you like it. Also, that is going to be it for this clean and decorate with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next one.